Hey, how's it going? As you can see, I'm at the beach. And man, what a beach it is. It's big, wide, nice sand. White sand, nice. And the name of the little town is Liapaja, or something like that. Liapaja, Latvia. So yeah, on the beach in Latvia. Unfortunately, it's a really crummy day. We got some rain going on, and just kind of gray and not so great for the beach. But I decided to walk down here and check it out because I came here specifically for the beach from Riga, the capital. We'll spend tomorrow here as well, so maybe we get some sun tomorrow and I can come down and hang out on the beach, which would be nice. But yeah, pretty cool little spot. The Baltic Sea, right there. That's the Baltic Sea. In this area here is the Baltic Sea. Let's go stick our hand in the Baltic Sea. See how cold it is. Not that cold. My hand is in the Baltic Sea. Nice. Anyway, Liapaja or Liapaja or something like that. I don't know. I can't say. We'll see if we can get some sun tomorrow, which would be nice. Come on down to the beach and hang out for a bit. 50 years, 50 countries. Something like Liapaja, Latvia, something like that. We'll get back to you guys soon. Take it easy. Bye.